Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna unbox this little baby right over here, the new MacBook Pro. Alright, so I just get it, just bought it a while ago. So let's see what it looked like. Alright, so let me see how to pull this now. Oh, right here, so right here have this. Wow. Damn. Alright. Look good. Let's see what it's like. Wow. Whoa. On it. Damn. Everything wrapped in a full plastic. Alright, take a little time. Wow. Whoa. Here we put it flat. You gotta put it flat because we don't want it to drop. 2,000 something dollars people. It's like, yeah, I'll put it for drop right now. Alright, so look on this. Alright, before I pull, before we dismantle this, let's check what else is in the box. Alright, so we get some good information about how to use the computer. I wonder if we get an Apple sticker in it. Must. Hey, hope they don't ramp with me. They might have to go put Apple sticker in this. Alright, hold on. Put that aside again. What is a box here to pull so? Aha! This is what we want. And you get two black too. Like then we know so Jamaica did not said it. They get a black one. Alright, so put that aside. What else is in the box? So voila. This thing here, you can't believe it look like that alone in that box. No man, more things must in there. Alright, forget that. We look on that later. Alright, so fast charging brick. Oh, so this is a fast charging brick, as you can see. Look good. So it's supposed to charge, fully charge in 30 seconds. Not sorry, 30 minutes, not seconds. That would be a new record if it was 30 seconds. Are the only computer, are the only device fully charged in 30 seconds. And then wrap it, everything wrap. I like it. Nice. Let's see how that go in the future. Alright, oh, this is the next thing now. So the cable suppose is like a fast release cable. So basically once you twist it, it's supposed to pull off when you put it in the computer. Like it. Alright, so put them aside, nothing else will come in. That's all. Alright, so let's pull the real thing. This is it right here. Let me see. So look how it pull first. Oh, so I guess you turn it over like that and then do like that. Okay. And then you do like that. And then you do like that. And then that. And then that. This is it. Whoa. Look like it's a fingerprint magnet because I touch it so the fingerprint upon it. Nice. It's pretty. See? Alright. So so let's try and open it up. And let's see. Take your time, put it down, and then flip it. What? The thing I turn as me open it, just flip by itself. Just like that. You see? Alright, so we're gonna peel off this little piece right here so now. And see. Whoa. Okay. That look good so far. guys, so this is the charging rod here. So I'm going to just pull it and show you how it's set up. This is supposed to pull from here. Okay, and then that pull from here. Why all them design and thing like say them never plan for pull it. That people stayed at the box. So oh, this is pull there, and this is pull right to here, and then right to here. So basically, this is it. This is the charger. So when you use it now, you actually just put it like this. Oh, see that? It's stick. You just press it down to pull it, or press it up. You see? So the charger. Oh, I pull that out of the plastic now. Pull the plastic off of it. Yeah. All right. So, and here's the Apple logo. I'm gonna let the Apple logo on it too. That is nice, like that. I'll bring that aside. So then now basically you plug it in here, bam, and then look here. So it doesn't. It's like what you need is you just need to put it close. See, stick. So if somebody a walk past and trip, it goes go bam, and then pull it out. But it's still hard to pull out. Still, you have to pull it. All right. So if you are gonna pull it out here, you can pull the whole computer. See that? But if you pull it up now, look here. Or not even up, if you put it to the side, well, it look like how it pull up or down, pull easy up or down, see, up or down easy. I like that. All right, so it's nice. Okay, so it's very nice. So the quality, it's very nice. The one thing when I like though, the fingerprint magnet, you know. So it, as you touch it, you see a fingerprint. So I have to wipe this off regular. But I gotta buy a monitor. I'm gonna buy a keyboard. Keyboard just come a wireless keyboard. I want to connect it to. So most time it might just fold up like this and then just connect to the monitor and the keyboard when I'm at home, you know. So this is the back. So it's very well. It's definitely not a MacBook here because it's thicker than that. But what I like though, this same video that you're watching right now, I'm going to plug in the memory card right here and then edit the video right here. So you don't have to use like an external card holder. You just plug the card right here and you're good. That's all I need to do. It's really good. So it's nice. Alright, so let me see, it's 1 terabyte, and I still can understand how well. I have to go steer this up. Let me see, because I want to know if nothing else. See, so me I thought, guys, it's a cardboard in it. It's a cardboard in it, you know. It's a cardboard in it. Unnecessary. Well, or maybe not. Alright, so guys, I would going to use this for the next couple of months. I'm going to edit my videos. So now you're going to get more YouTube videos, you know, because ever since I was using my iPad Pro, and it's very good too, but this is extremely better. Alright, I like the quality. The screen, trust me, it's like you just want to look on it continuously. It does pretty amazing. I don't know if you can see the quality on camera, but it just amazing. I'm not lie. You're not gonna see the quality on the camera, you have to see it in real life. Eggman thing. It's crazy. I love it. Well, definitely I gotta watch how I put it down, and I have to buy a protective screen protector for it and everything there. So guys, like, share and subscribe. I got more tech videos too in the future. If you're interested in it, videos like this, let me know. Alright, so I'll figure out this and see what else it have in line for me. Take care guys.